I am going to cook with my favorite skillet pan. This pan is a cast iron skillet, 9-inch across, and the handle has been grinded off. For some reason, I like this pan. When I got it, it was real rusted out, and I had to run through two different burning seasonings for this to get it to the point where I can actually use it. I use this as a paella pan, and it's great for that. And as you can see, I put this chicken in here. I can use one of these. I can. I don't. For those who want to know what the paella pan is, that's this one. I could have used that. I didn't. I could have used one of these, which I have, but I didn't. Or a skillet with just a plain skillet. But for some reason, I like this pan, and it's one of my favorite pans. So let's get to cooking. I've talked enough. It's nothing spectacular about it, but it's my favorite pan. So let's put that in the oven. It's been preheated, 385. We're gonna let those thighs cook for probably 30 minutes. I'll be back. Okay, the oven has gone off, and there we go. 30 minutes has passed. I'm gonna check these. One way of knowing that it's cooking on the center, you see that right there? That's that bone marrow juice coming out. So it is being cooked on the center, but we're gonna use this thermometer, and I'm going to be looking for a temperature of 165 here. So let's see what that goes. What that do? Okay, we're at 120, going up to 130. So it's not actually cooked. We're gonna put this back in the oven for another 15 minutes and bring it out and show what the temperature is gonna be. Let's see what this one is gonna do. Yeah, okay, I can see here. So if it was cooked, it'd be kind of tough. So we're gonna continue to cook this and see how this pan is doing. The heat from this pan is being forced on the inside as well. It's one reason why I like that. That way you get that crust. Here, you see that crust? Just like cornbread. So let's put this in for another 15 minutes and come back. Okay, we have been cooking for 15 extra minutes. Let's get this set. Take a look at this. All right, don't that pretty? That is looking good. Chicken thighs cooked in a modified skillet to make it look like a paella pan. Okay? gonna leave the oven on just to make sure, and I'm looking for the temperature of the thigh to get 165. Okay. Can you see it? Okay, we are there. Right at 165. See that? So how did the pan perform? I do like the fact that the pan cooks all the way around. Earlier you heard me mention the sides. Right there. So as the pan get hot, because this is cast iron, the heat start cooking on the inside as well, so you have this burned core like that around the edges. If you ever cook some kind of bread, cornbread, or a pie, or a cake in one of these pans, it get hot and start cooking and you have a crust. That's what I wanted on here, a crust. And it's cooked at the bottom as well. So we have juices and we have cooked meat. Let's get this piece right here. There we go. It's going to be hot to eat, but I'm going to attempt. So let's do a tongue burn on this hot meat. Actually, we're not going to do that much. I'm going to do this right here. Tastes good. And what I'm going to do with that is, I'll show you all this. This is dressing that was sealed with the sealer in November. That dressing is going to taste just like it was cooked yesterday. So we're having chicken and dressing for dinner today. Cooked in a modified cast iron skillet. Thanks for watching.